Okay, I'm now going to talk you through how to do conditional formatting. So I'm using Microsoft Excel. You can use Google Sheets. You can use Excel via Teams and other types of Excel applications. Um, the steps may be a bit different, but they are very similar. An example, the icon will be the same. You may say conditional formatting underneath, it may not, but you will all see the icon whether you're using Google Sheets or you're using Excel via Teams or Microsoft Excel. Or if you're using an Apple Mac, you should see this icon. So I would like to change the background color of the total money made. If it is less than, let's say it's less than 1,500. If it's less than 1,500, I want it to be red. If it's more than, then I want it to be green. So we'll start with the first one. Conditional formatting. Click on the cell, we go to Home tab, conditional formatting. I want to go to New Rules. Format only cells that contain. If it is less than or equals to, I'm going to type 1,500. If it's less than or equals to 1,500, I would like it to turn red. And it's turned red. I'm going to do another one now. Format New Rules. Only format cells that contain cell value that is greater than or equals to. Let's say 1,501. If it's more than 1,501, I would like it to be green. So to confirm this, instead of 40, I want 50 cars. I also want 35 cars. There we go. So if I change this to only one car was washed on a Wednesday, my total is 1,355. If I change it to 100 cars were washed on a Wednesday, I've made 1,850 and it turns a different color. So again, what you do is you click on the cell you would like to format. You go to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, format only cells that contain. It may have blanks. You change it from blanks to cell value. You want to format the cell value that is either equals to, less than, greater than, or not equals to. And then you type in the criteria. Once you've done that, you go to format and you change whatever color you want and you press OK. And then that is how you create a conditional format.